Hello everyone, this is Leena Moon. Welcome to my channel in this video. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. In case you like me and my video, make sure subscribe to my channel and you hit the notification icon so that you can notified every time I post a new video. I would like to remind you one more thing. You do not forget to write comment. You can give me some suggestions too. I would love to share with you most important English idioms. Idioms are nothing but expressions. All these idioms are most commonly used in daily conversation. I will teach you idioms with their meaning as well as examples. These idioms will help you not only to understand spoken English better, but also to bring your English to next level. So are you ready to get started? Let's start with a fish out of water. A fish out of water means one out of his living condition or in a strange situation. When I lost my job during COVID-19 pandemic, I felt like a fish out of water. In the new city, he is a fish out of water with absolutely no sense of direction. Bread and butter. A person's livelihood or main source of income. This is very famous idiom. British and American people generally ask, "What do you do for bread and butter?" Just like we ask, "What do you do for your living?" Due to lack of jobs and opportunities, people are facing a lot of difficulty to earn bread and butter. Next idiom is a bed of roses. An enjoyable state, a comfortable or luxurious. Ambani has a bed of roses because he has plenty of money. If you say that a situation is not a bed of roses, you mean that it is not as pleasant as it seems. Her journey has not been a bed of roses like it's for everybody else. It's not my cup of tea. It's not my cup of tea means I'm not interested in this activity. Someone dislikes about something. For example, a boy asking a girl, "Hey, do you want to go watching a horror movie with me?" She replied, "No, I don't like it. Watching horror movie is not my cup of tea." Let's take another example. Teaching whole day is not my cup of tea because I'm not a robot. It's hectic. I cannot teach for a whole day. I'm a human being. If you remove not from the sentence, it has a different sense. If you simply say, a cup of tea means easy, very simple. For example, speaking in English with native speaker is cup of tea for me. Henpecked husband. A husband dominated, bullied by a woman. A man who is controlled by his wife. I think henpecked husbands are not good for happy married life because they have to follow commands, instructions from their wives. I think for happy married life, 50-50 percentage of decision making is okay. Sometimes it may be 60-40. What do you think? Let's take one example of henpecked husband. Jairaj is a henpecked husband because he is not able to stand up to his ruthlessly ambitious wife Ratna. I took this example from the drama Dance Like a Man. I suggest you must watch this drama. Once in a blue moon. Once in a blue moon means rarely, very seldom. That sort of thing only happens once in a blue moon. For example, I used to spend a lot of time doing exercise, but now I only do once in a blue moon. One more example. My brother lives abroad, so I only see him once in a blue moon. To break the ice, to make a beginning or start of something. Small talk, pieces of conversation. Let me explain it in a proper way. A girl has been trying to impress a boy, but he is not impressed. She said, "What else can I do? Someone has to break the ice. Someone has to speak up." After a few days, they got married and someone asked the girl, "Tell me, who break the ice first?" She replied, "He is reserved. So I had to break the ice first." I was talking and I was trying to impress him. Finally, she proposed first, means she break the ice first. A leap in the dark. If you take a leap in the dark, you do something without having any previous experience in that activity or knowledge of it. For example, if you take a dose of medicine without consulting your doctor, it causes to death. It can damage your liver, it can damage your kidney. So do not take a leap in the dark. You are doing something at your risk. Let's take another example. Don't take leap in the dark during the first driving. Maybe accident happened if you make a mistake. In the same boat, to have the same problems or to be in the same situation. For example, we all are learning English. We are in the same boat. So let's not criticize each other. Kith and kin. Kith and kin is blood relation. I will celebrate my birthday with my kith and kin. Child's play. Extremely easy to perform. Pursuing engineering is not a child's play. Being mother working outside for 9 hours is not a child's play. Let me explain this sentence. Her professional life hampering her personal life. She is not able to give time to her kids. It's not a child's play. To fall on one's feet. To be in a good situation or in a good condition after having a bad or difficult experience. For example, she lost her way but fell on her feet when she found her friends back. You also try to make some sentences by using these idioms. With every sentence, you relate your life. I don't believe in making so difficult sentences. So relate your life while making this sentence. I hope you like this video. So do not forget subscribe, share, comment. I love reading your comment. Thank you so much for your support and watching this video. I will be back with another video. Till then, bye.